Welcome to In the Bay with Schrader. I'm W. Ripto. We're going to remove the valve cap and the valve core. We're going to take the valve nut off. Sensor dropped inside the wheel and tire. You can now safely remove the wheel and tire. When we break the bead, we want to be 90 degrees from the valve stem. There's the 6 o'clock position. To the back side. And the valve's at the 12 o'clock position. Okay, no wheel weights and no wheel weights. We're going to bring the dismount head into place. We're going to ensure that this valve hole is underneath the mount dismount head, towards the back of the mount dismount head, not towards the front, but on the back side. We're going to bring our tire lever into place. Roll it around for the top bead and for the bottom bead. And now you can see the sensor.